Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can log out of all sessions and from all devices in your or through your Roblox account in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So let me log into my Roblox account here on PC or laptop. And usually guys, whenever you navigate to more here on the left hand side, you will see the logout button. However, that is only going to log you out of the given device. If you're currently logged in with the same account, Roblox account on other devices like your mobile phone, for example, or tablet, you will need to log out from there as well. To do that, click into settings here. Next, click into security there. And here scroll all the way down. And at the bottom you will see this option, log out of all other sessions. Click into log out here. And that is going to log you out from all devices. So you will see the list of devices you're currently logged in here. If you click into it, you will see a list. Now, I'm not going to show this, of course, for demonstration purposes and for privacy reasons. I'm not going to show this, but you will see the list of your devices you're currently logged in, so that you can check which devices these are, so that you may log out from all of them by using this option. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.